back my channel School of Learnings. Yesterday we have discussed about non-finites. Today we are taking its first part, infinitives. Infinitive is the first word. A. We take a sentence to clear it to the students. This is not the time. This is not the time. ये ब्लैंक है. जोक्स. गिवन वर्ब है प्ले. दिस इज नॉट द टाइम. जोक्स. प्ले इज द गिवन वर्ब. नाउ वी वांट टू so that how to use is as infinitives. This is not the time. Time जो है is noun. Time is noun. And this time noun is added something to the play added something to this time noun. In this case we use to with play. To play. To play. In this sentence, time, the time is noun. And play adds something to the noun, the play. That is to the noun, the time. In this sentence the time is noun and play add something to the noun, the time. So play act as noun, as adjective. First is this is not the time. ये blank है to jokes. Play verb is given. In this sentences time is noun and play add something to noun, the time. So to play act as a adjective. तो ये adjective act करे यहाँ पर. Now second case. Second is that is first. Now second examples. After the verbs of understanding, after the verb of understanding and knowing. Infinitive is used just like he knows, I consider him to be cheat. ये आ गया टू बी चीट. सेकेंड, अंडरस्टैंडिंग कंसीडर और नोइंग, he knows how drive a car. तो यहाँ पर टू आएगा, ड्राइव के साथ टू आएगा. ही नो हाउ टू ड्राइव ए कार या कार. तो इन दिस केस आफ्टर द वर्ब्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड नोइंग इन्फिनेटिव इज यूज्ड. इन्फिनेटिव यूज्ड होते हैं टू लगा के. वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म से पहले वी पुट टू. आई कंसिडर हिम टू बी चीट. कंसिडर गिविंग द सेंस ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ही नोज हाउ टू ड्राइव. तो टू ब्लैंक ड्राइव यहाँ ड्राइव वर्ब दिया होता है, ड्राइव, उसके साथ विद इट वी पुट टू. ही नोज हाउ टू ड्राइव ए कार. Why we are going to put to before the verb drive? Because it is the knowing verbs of knowing. Verbs of understanding के साथ भी infinitive यूज होते हैं और knowing के साथ भी यूज होते हैं. I try my best to give the student the knowledge of how to use infinitive before putting verb, giving verb, to put before giving verb, prefix to the first form of verb. ये आज की वीडियो है. ये इतना आपको 2 पॉइंट इसमें दे दिए हमने, 3 पॉइंट. और वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुमारो with another examples or another methods. Like my channels, subscribe, views, give subscribes, so that I full of confidence and to make it a very good night, good